Went back and I very carefully put the negative here, and I tested the plate voltage of this guy right here, and I got 477. Switching that to 600, get that high read, and then I go into the Weber calculator here. My tubes are EL34. My plate voltage is 47. When I calculate that bias, I get 36. So I'm going to probably go ahead and readjust that to be a little lower than 38, just to save a little life on my tubes.
Let's bias these new power tubes, huh?
Take this whole thing out. These are the power tubes which need to be biased. These are preamp tubes, and you can change these out anytime you want without biasing. So let's try it. Okay, so I lifted this thing out and I just kind of rested it back inside the amp. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the speaker back into the 8 ohms. Alright, let's look what I gotta find here. Okay, now I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to turn on the power, stand by, and start heating these tubes up. I'll say for about 15 minutes. I'm not going to touch anything that I'm not supposed to touch, or I will die. I want to set this to DC millivolts, probably at the lowest setting at 200. And then I'm going to be using these guys up here on these pins over here. Try not to touch anything. Let's see, where are those pins? Well, there they are. See those 3 pins right there? You see those 3 pins? You test the one on the left, and then you turn the trim part on the right. The trim part on the left goes with the pin on the right. So it's reversed for some reason, but we'll let it warm up. Let's see how they're doing down there. Okay, let me see what we're reading right now. If I put the black, I'm at 45, so way too hot. That is why I was getting so much feedback the other night at our show. I'm going to fix that here, and let's see, and then adjust this trim pop by turning left and right. And then I have to recalibrate, because when you turn up the right one, the left one will be adjusted. But I wish I had those little clips that held these on here. I tried to order some from Amazon, but I didn't get the right ones. Okay, you want to just go in really small increments here. So I'm going to go clockwise, turn it down. So just a little tap there. Now let's check that out. Black on the middle pin, red on the right pin. Oh, we're at 39. See, that's much better.
Okay, now I'm going to try see what the other tube is reading. So, black there, red there, and the other tube is 50, okay? So I want to be turning this one to the right. Very tiny increments. Okay, I'm getting them really close. I made a couple adjustments here, so let's check the right tube. And can you see the multimeter down here? Okay, I'm going to check the right tube. 38.6. Let's check the left tube.
38.4. Boom. That's exactly where I want these bad boys. That's how you bias tubes.